sus. Hello everyone, this is May de los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hello guys, good morning. So mag-wrap tayo ng gift
para ni tatay
na hindi ka
kani.
Okay, mag-wrap tayo guys.
Who is that for?
Tatay. Kasi ibigay natin yung phone
Nadili ka
na hindi na kukunik sa internet namin dito. Kasi yung internet namin dito ma-RT siya. Aywan ko. So, hindi siya kamahalan guys. Tikno. Hindi ko to siya I don't use it. Hardly use it. Because when the time I bought this one, that's the time we just transfer. So, I use this one 1 month. Not really overuse. So, and I heard something that the tatay is complaining that she don't have phone
because
nanay they have a phone but only one. But nanay when nanay come here in the birthday of Shahira, tatay upset because she thinks nanay bring the phone, but it's not. Supposed to be I will give this one to my granddaughter, but my son don't like cell phone for her daughter. So yeah.
When she the big na ang granddaughter.
Yeah.
So di na nakakog cellphone o anayaw madako na. Happy na.
And then ibigay natin to kay Tatay Coco.
Tatay Coco. You can squeeze that. Squeeze that. Para protect it.
Itago natin dito.
Alala siya hot money and then open. Wala mag-open cellphone. Tape.
Ako naguba. Ayaw lang squish to. Naguba.
Squeeze man tugod.
Ano na lang. And then some t-shirt. Anak lang siya sa t-shirt. Ako lang iyan ang ilapi ko. Ano gusto kuha, no? And then just put it here. Have I received?
Perfect.
And let's see.
Kani dili man kaigo.
Squish it. Kaigo eh.
You're not you can wrap that one.
So this is for my son.
But you don't like?
But I forgot to give it when he is here. So I will give this one to Tatay. Then I will buy a new one for him. I know
a
what
very
he like.
nice one.
A really nice one. So this is not really expensive, guys. You know.
You even tape the inside. I'm not wear my skaters there in the okay?
So this one is full white.
That was about to be Jan.
That was to be about Jam, but you know, I forgot. But I know I will buy it for my son. I know what he like.
Short sleeve.
T-shirt. So, ang atong nanay, atong problema ni atong nanay. So, atong nanay, ay, I will give atong nanay na something late because I ordered late. So, yeah. Saba. Quiet.
Roll it up. Kuba gitu cellphone dia mo dili eh.
Paglungag na.
Diba? Kao na tagawas. Talang barbecuehan.
Oh, gara ka. Wala ko'y kuan anak ron.
Ada kita.
Hindi na pagluto na.
Ano siya ko na?
So, I will surprise our tatay, guys. Our tatay movie.
Irap.
O, lagi irap. Tana. So, inilit ko yung phone kasi masaya naman kung may nakagamit, no? Kaysa i-stock up ko lang na wala. Hindi ko naman siya magamit. Kaya, pagunting di.
Ikaw ko ba ni daddy itong bunting?
Ito, CR ni mo.
Ha?
CR. Sa'yo ka magyaw-yaw.
Adige. banana like it looks like a boat. And then you fold. There you go. You tape.
Yeah. Kapuya po nimo masikag mandar.
What a mandar.
Talking.
So nice wrapping.
Mhm.
Mommy, good wrapping.
I hope Tatay will not like this one.
Huh?
I hope Tatay like this one.
Oh, Tatay don't like it?
I like it. I know. Okay, ready to go na. So, guys, this new year will not make a new year in the house. We just go to the mountain. Then we'll come back tomorrow morning. So, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hocoquera. So enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye bye. See you.